Convert this into that with just 3 simple steps.
Watch to the end, the best part's at the finish.
Head over to Reddit and search for your niche. Look for the most popular questions people are asking. Copy the link to that Reddit thread. Then open up ChatGPT. Type in, check out this page and give me the most popular questions people in this niche are asking. Once ChatGPT gives you the list, reply with, I'm an expert in your niche. Turn these questions into scripts for viral Instagram reels. Each script should kick off with a strong hook like, 3 ways to one of the most popular desired outcomes. How to one of the most popular desired outcomes. Stop doing this if you want to one of the most popular desired outcomes. Make sure each video ends with a powerful call to action. Ask ChatGPT to deliver everything in a clear table format. Finally, comment the word ChatGPT if you want even more viral prompts like this. Now, let me introduce you to Short.ai, a revolutionary AI tool that lets you create short videos on trending topics. Whether it's AI-generated stories, dialogues, fake text Reddit stories, like the one we're about to make, or other viral trends. This tool makes content creation faster and easier.
Short.ai also offers an amazing pricing plan.
The basic plan gives you 160 credits, which equals about 53 minutes of content, roughly 40 short videos, all for less than $20.
It's a fantastic deal for content creators looking to go viral. If you're interested, check out the link in the description.
Once you've signed up, here's what the dashboard looks like. For our purpose, we are going to choose Reddit story, and trust me, this is one of the best niches to grow fast. First, choose the Reddit story card. This step is optional, but if you want to go viral, I highly recommend it. Make sure to add a good image and a catchy title that fits the topic. That will help your video get more clicks. Once that's done, open ChatGPT. Now, copy and paste the Reddit question as your post description. Then, paste the script we got earlier from ChatGPT as your video script. Below the description, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose the character length. I'm going with 1,000 characters for this story. After that, click AI Rewrite. Just like that, your script is ready. Now you can customize the Reddit like and comment icons if you want. Make it look more real or just match your style. When you're happy with everything, hit Next. Then, choose a background style that fits the mood of your story.
Once that's done, choose the subtitle template that resonates with the content the most. It'll help make your video more engaging and easier to follow.
And finally, pick your AI voice actor. For this video, I'm going with a middle-aged male voice. John Doe is my favorite. His voice sounds calm and natural. Now hit generate, and that's it. Let's take a look at our finished AI Reddit story video.
Is reality just a dream? Based on the Matrix movie, give an answer to this question. Honestly, it feels like we're living in some kind of Matrix-style simulation, where everything around us is just one big illusion. Like, do we even know if this is reality, or just a super advanced VR game we can't even remember entering? But here's the kicker. How can we even define what real truly is anymore? Like, I find myself sitting there questioning if my mundane daily routines are nothing more than activities coded by some unseen architect to keep me docile and compliant. Like a character in a never-ending simulation. Like a character in a never-ending simulation. When your perception could be manipulated at any moment. Like, what if every tweet I read is just part of this tailored reality, crafted to keep me locked inside this digital echo chamber? Seriously, it makes you wonder just how deep the rabbit hole goes.
And that's how we created a full AI-generated Reddit story video, from choosing the topic, writing the script with ChatGPT, all the way to voice and visuals using Short.ai. If you like this, you'll definitely want to check out my last video, where I showed how to make an AI dialogue video with talking characters. It's super fun and really powerful for storytelling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss new AI video tips. See you in the next one.